bring it up to the top like that, so the line is directly underneath the last name. Then you put the tape on. Do the tape gentle over the letters so you don't peel them off when you're finished. A little bit of tape on there, like that. Now we can just lift it up and peel this paper off. There you go. Just got to be careful that sometimes the letters come off, so just do it gently. Okay. And now the trick is you just nice and gentle, get it nice and straight. Push it down across the top. Down like that.
Right, now what do you have now?
I have music.
Well, you don't music.
And then you just start nice and gentle. Like so. Once you've got it down there, you can go hard because you want to press it down nice and hard so it sticks to the board nice. You've got to make sure it's on nice and hard because when you peel this paper off, sometimes the letter wants to come off with it. Try not to touch the wood. One more time. Okay. Now just nice and gentle, we've got to peel the paper off. And we'll take that off first. Again, with this tape, be careful not to just do it. Everything you got to do everything slow. There we go. Now, with this one, what's good is I'll do it from this side so the camera can see it. You got to be slow and keep it low like that. Just peel it back like that. And just watch, sometimes the letters want to come off. If they do, you just got to sort of put the paper back on and rub it. There you go. Just always nice and slow.